A roll of fishing line can lift a 1.5-ton car. So strong. How is it made? This is a factory that produces PE fishing line. First, the raw material particles are heated to a molten state and extruded through the nozzle to form silk threads and then stretched. After cooling, individual fiber filaments are obtained. Then the filaments are threaded through a needle and introduced onto a machine. The knitting machine starts to rotate and tightly weaves and combines the fibers to form the main body of the fishing line. Subsequently, it passes through a metal hole and enters the yellow resin. This resin makes the fishing line more wear-resistant. Then the oven dries the resin to remove impurities. Of course, workers also randomly sample and test the tensile properties of the fishing line. After passing the inspection, all the fishing lines are wound on spools. The raw material of this fishing line is ultra-high molecular weight polyethylene, which has extremely high tensile properties and can even be used to make bulletproof vests. First, the performance of this fishing line is much better than that of monofilament fishing line, and is the best choice for catching big fish.